The TP-Link TL-WDR3500 is a powerful dual-band wireless router that offers fast and reliable internet connectivity for homes and small businesses. In this YouTube video, we will take an in-depth look at the features, hardware, and user interface of the TP-Link TL-WDR3500 and see how it can benefit your networking needs. First, let's talk about the hardware of the TP-Link TL-WDR3500. This router features a sleek and modern design that blends in well with any home or office decor. It is equipped with 3 external antennas that provide strong and reliable Wi-Fi coverage across a large area. The router also features 4 gigabit Ethernet ports, which allows for fast and reliable wired connections to devices such as computers, game consoles, and smart TVs. The TP-Link TL-WDR3500 is equipped with a powerful processor and a generous amount of memory, which allows the router to handle multiple devices and heavy usage without slowing down or dropping connections. It also features advanced security features such as WPA/WPA2 encryption, which helps to protect your network from unauthorized access and hacking attempts. The router also features a WPS Wi-Fi protected setup button, which allows you to easily connect devices to your network without having to enter a password. This is a great feature for those who have multiple devices that need to be connected to the network. Now let's move on to the software and user interface of the TP-Link TL-WDR3500. This router features an intuitive and user-friendly web interface, which makes it easy to set up and configure your network. The web interface is accessible from any device with a web browser, and it allows you to customize your network settings, view connected devices, and monitor your network performance. The TP-Link TL-WDR3500 also comes with a suite of advanced software features, such as quality of service, QoS, and parental controls. QoS allows you to prioritize certain types of traffic, such as video streaming or online gaming, over other types of traffic, which helps to ensure a smooth and uninterrupted experience for these applications. Parental controls allow you to restrict access to certain websites or types of content, which is a great feature for parents who want to ensure that their children are safe online. In terms of performance, the TP-Link TL-WDR3500 delivers excellent speed and stability. It supports dual-band wireless standards such as 802.11n and 802.11ac, which provide fast and reliable wireless connections. It also supports wireless speeds of up to 600 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and 1300 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, which allows for lightning-fast downloads and uploads. One of the standout features of the TP-Link TL-WDR3500 is its dual-band capability. This means that it can transmit and receive on both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies simultaneously, which helps to reduce interference and improve overall performance. It also features multiple operating modes, such as access point mode and range extender mode, which allows you to extend the range of your network even further. The TP-Link TL-WDR3500 also features a range of advanced security features, such as NAT firewall, which protects against intruders and hackers, and IP-based bandwidth control, which allows you to manage the bandwidth of individual devices on your network. It also features a guest network feature, which allows you to create a separate network for guests, which can be password protected and isolated from your main network. Another great feature of the TP-Link TL-WDR3500 is its support for IPv6, which is the latest version of the Internet Protocol. This allows you to future-proof your network and ensures that your devices will be able to connect.